Welcome to English with Steve.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Steve, where we help you have natural and confident conversations. Today, we are going to learn how to make new friends in English, naturally and confidently. Do not worry. We will go step by step together, slowly and clearly. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident talking to new people in English. If you are new here, please subscribe. It really helps us grow. All right, let's begin. Look at this situation where two people are standing in a park feeling shy and unsure about talking to each other. And this is something many English learners experience, but don't worry, because we are going to make it very easy for you. The very first step to making a new friend is simply saying hello, because just one small word can open the door to a new conversation. You can start with simple greetings like hi, hello, or good morning, because these are friendly, natural, and easy ways to begin speaking English with someone new. After greeting someone, you can continue the conversation by asking how are you, because this is a polite and common question in everyday English. When someone asks you how are you, you can respond by saying, I'm good, thank you, and you? And this helps keep the conversation flowing naturally. After that, you can also continue by saying, I'm fine, thank you, which keeps the conversation friendly and smooth between both people. Now, it is important to introduce yourself by saying, my name is Steve, or my name is Mary, so the other person knows who you are. After introducing yourself, you should always say, nice to meet you, because this is a polite and respectful way to show kindness. Then you can continue the conversation by asking, where are you from? Because this is a very common question when meeting new people. The answer can be simple, like, I'm from America, or I'm from England, or I'm from Brazil, because short and clear answers are perfect for beginners. Now, you can ask about hobbies by saying, what do you like to do? Because this helps you learn more about the other person. The answer may be simple, like, I like music, or I like football, or I like reading, and this is enough for natural English conversations. When someone tells you something, you should show interest by saying, oh, nice, or that's great, because it makes the conversation more friendly. Sometimes you may discover that you both like the same thing, and in that moment you can simply say, me too, which helps build a connection. You can continue the conversation by asking more questions like, which team do you like? Or what kind of music do you like? To keep the chat going. The answers can also stay simple, like, I like Chelsea, or I like pop music, because you do not need difficult English to communicate well. Always remember to use polite words like please, thank you, and sorry, because these words make your English sound respectful and kind. When you feel comfortable, you can invite them by saying, do you want to sit with me? Because this is a friendly way to continue the interaction. The person may say yes, sure, or sorry, not now, and both answers are okay because being polite is the most important thing. Also remember that your body language matters, so smile, look at the person, and stay relaxed because this makes you more friendly. Good conversations are not only about speaking, but also about listening carefully and letting the other person talk as well. Now, let's see everything together in a real conversation where two people meet, say hi, introduce themselves, ask questions, and find something in common naturally. To get better, you should practice every day by speaking alone, practicing with friends, or even practicing in front of a mirror to build confidence. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, because mistakes are part of learning, and every fluent speaker started as a beginner just like you. Now you are ready to make new friends in English, so keep practicing, stay positive, and always believe in yourself, because I believe in you too, and I will see you in the next lesson.